One of the platforms that is underutilized by creators but is super, super valuable is LinkedIn. If you guys are not already familiar with LinkedIn, I'll link you guys my profile. Here it is. I'll pop it in Restream chat right now. It'll pop out to all of you. Go check out my profile. And what you want to do on LinkedIn, it is the biggest jobs platform, biggest jobs social media site in the entire world. It is approaching, you might be like, this is an old man site. Nobody's on here. Who's on LinkedIn? It is approaching 1 billion monthly active users on this platform. Every single company is on LinkedIn. And so if you want to be hired by, say, every single company, you need to be on LinkedIn and make yourself searchable and discoverable on LinkedIn. And what are the kinds of things that you guys can put on your LinkedIn profile? Okay, so if you guys know how to do graphic design, you put in the title of your profile, graphic designer. If you know how to do video editing, you put in the title of your profile, video editor. If you know how to do live streaming production, you put in the title of your profile, live streaming production, etc. And you put the things that you want people to search you for as the title of your profile. Then, in your description on LinkedIn, you have a search-rich description that talks about all of the skills that you have and what you can offer companies and jobs as a content creator, as a live streamer, as a video editor, as a graphic designer, all those skills that you have that can help you land a job. You can then feature links that people can click to book you. Okay, so for example, I've got this link. I'll open in a new tab. When people click my featured link, they go to my website, awalldigital.com, and then they can book me for my coaching services. I coach creators and streamers and businesses, and they can literally book me right here for one-on-one coaching. They can do it directly from my LinkedIn profile. You can put a featured link here. That can be a video you created on YouTube. That can be a highlight of one of your streams. It can be a trailer of you talking to the camera and telling people what skills you have and what you have to offer. Feature a link right here that shows off what you have to offer or how people can book you or contact you if they want to hire you. Okay? And then another great thing you can do with your profile is list all of your professional experience. And you guys, all of you watching right now, you can list YouTube as professional experience as a YouTuber. You can list Twitch as professional experience as a Twitch streamer. You can even list Adobe and the programs that you understand in Adobe here as experience down here under the skills section of your LinkedIn profile under licenses and certifications and skills and endorsements. And when you add all of those skills and when you add all of those things that you know how to do, all of those qualifications that you have as a professional, it makes you more discoverable on LinkedIn. And I've been doing this on LinkedIn for the last 8 years. And you know how many followers I have on LinkedIn now? 19,000 followers on LinkedIn. This is not a brag. I'm not saying that to, wow, I'm so impressed by Awall and how he did all this. Wow. I have been doing this for a long time, and I've been taking this platform seriously for a long time, and I hopefully will never have to apply for a job ever again. I'm telling you guys this because I want you to never have to apply for a job ever again. What do I mean by that, streamers? If you make yourself discoverable on LinkedIn, recruiters will contact you. Recruiters will contact you to hire you to do video editing for their company. They will contact you to hire you to do graphic design for them. They will contact you to manage their social media. They will contact you to manage their YouTube channel. They will contact you to run live production for them. You feel me? And one of the ways that you can do that on LinkedIn is I think it's the open to feature right over here. Check this out. Check this out. Open to, and you can say, I'm open to finding a new job, and you click that. Then it takes you through a process where you can type in the type of job you're looking for and the job locations that you're interested in, and then you are now discoverable to recruiters that could potentially recruit you on LinkedIn. This is just one of many methods that you guys can use to use your Twitch streamer experience, your YouTuber experience, your creator experience to become more discoverable and to get high-paying, lucrative jobs. It's not just me who's done this. It's all these people that I showed you behind me Echo Gaming, Rurikon, Ashroll, Ross Dillon, Jeff Fang, Dusky who's in chat, Squad Track who's in chat, you name it. There's so many other people out there that are using those skills to get those jobs. Okay?